Hey there, English learners. Welcome back to English Tips and Podcast, the channel where English gets easy and fun.
I'm Olivia, and this is my partner in English crime, Ethan. And guess what? Today's episode is absolutely delicious.
Haha, I see what you did there. Yeah, we're talking about one of the most important skills you'll ever need.
Ordering food in English.
Ordering food in English. Now, before we dive in, let me ask you something. Have you ever been to a restaurant abroad and just pointed at the menu because you didn't know what to say?
Or maybe you wanted to ask for extra ketchup, but ended up just smiling awkwardly.
Oh man. I remember once I tried to order a steak in London, and I was so nervous I said, "I want a mistake, please," instead of "I want a steak, please."
No way! Did they actually give you a mistake?
Well, the waiter looked confused, but yeah, he figured it out. But see, that's exactly why this lesson exists.
Right, because ordering food shouldn't be scary or stressful. It should be natural, confident, and honestly, kind of fun.
So here's what we're going to do today. We're giving you 50, yes, 50 real conversations that you'll actually use in restaurants.
We'll start with super simple situations like ordering a coffee or asking for the menu. Perfect for beginners.
And then we'll level up to more advanced stuff like sending food back, asking about ingredients, or even making special requests.
And here's the magic part. Every conversation is in Q&A style. One person asks, the other answers. Super natural, super practical.
You can literally pause this video, repeat after us, and bam, you're ready for any restaurant in the world.
So grab a snack, get comfy, and let's learn how to order like a native English speaker.
Remember our motto, everyone.
English is not about perfection, it's about connection.
English is not about perfection. It's about connection. Let's get started.
All right, let's start with the basics. These are conversations anyone can use, even if you're just starting to learn English.
Listen carefully, repeat after us, and you'll sound like a pro in no time.
Excuse me, can I see the menu, please?
Of course. Here you go.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. I'll be back in a few minutes to take your order.
What do you recommend?
The pasta and the grilled chicken are very popular.
Sounds good. I'll have the grilled chicken, please.
Excellent choice. I'll get that started for you right away.
Can I have a glass of water, please?
Sure. Still or sparkling?
Still water, please.
Perfect. I'll bring it right away.
I'd like to order now.
Great. What would you like?
I'll have the Caesar salad and a coffee.
Perfect. That'll be ready in about 10 minutes.
Do you have any vegetarian options?
Yes, we have several vegetarian dishes.
Great. Can you show me which ones?
Of course. They're all marked with a green leaf on the menu.
How much is this dish?
It's $15.
Okay, I'll take it.
Great. I'll put that order in for you.
Can I get this without onions?
Absolutely. No problem.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your meal.
Is this spicy?
Yes, it's quite spicy. Would you like something milder?
Yes, please. What do you suggest?
The chicken curry is mild and very flavorful. I think you'll love it.
Can I have the bill, please?
Sure, I'll bring it right away.
Thank you.
Here you are. You can pay whenever you're ready.
You accept credit cards?
Yes, we accept all major credit cards.
Perfect. I'll pay by card then.
Great. I'll bring the card machine over.
Table for two, please.
Right this way, please. Follow me.
Thank you.
Here's your table. Enjoy your meal.
Can we sit by the window?
Let me check. Yes, this table is available.
Perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome. Someone will be with you shortly to take your order.
What's the soup of the day?
Today it's tomato soup.
I'll have that, please.
Great choice. It comes with fresh bread on the side.
Can I have extra napkins?
Of course. Here you are.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Let me know if you need anything else.
Is service charge included?
Yes, it's included in the bill.
Oh, okay. Good to know.
Yes, but additional tips are always appreciated if you're happy with the service.
Can I have some ketchup?
Sure, I'll bring it right away.
Thank you.
Here you go. Enjoy.
I'll have the burger, please.
How would you like it cooked?
Medium, please.
Perfect. And it comes with fries and coleslaw.
Do you have Wi-Fi?
Yes, the password is on your receipt.
Great. Thanks.
You're welcome. Enjoy your time here.
Can I have a coffee?
Would you like it black or with milk?
With milk, please.
Coming right up.
Where's the restroom?
It's down the hall on your left.
Thank you.
No problem. Enjoy your meal.
Great job so far. Now let's move to more complex situations. These are for when you want to sound more natural and confident.
These include special requests, dietary restrictions, complaints, and more detailed conversations. Ready?
Excuse me, does this dish contain any nuts? I have an allergy.
Let me check with the chef. I'll be right back.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Good news. It doesn't contain nuts, so you're safe to order it.
I ordered my steak medium rare, but this is well done.
I'm so sorry. I'll have the kitchen prepare a new one immediately.
Thank you. I'd appreciate that.
It'll be just a few minutes, and I'll bring you a complimentary appetizer while you wait.
Could you recommend a wine that pairs well with seafood?
Absolutely. I'd suggest our Sauvignon Blanc or Pinot Grigio.
I'll go with the Sauvignon Blanc, please.
Excellent choice. I'll bring it right over with a wine glass.
Is it possible to substitute the fries with a salad?
Yes, we can do that for an additional $2.
That's fine. I'll do the substitution.
Perfect. I'll make sure the kitchen knows about your preference.
How fresh is the fish today?
It was delivered this morning, so it's very fresh.
Great. I'll have the grilled sea bass then.
Wonderful choice. It comes with seasonal vegetables and lemon butter sauce.
Do you have any gluten-free options?
Yes, we have gluten-free pasta and bread available.
Perfect. I'll have the gluten-free pasta with marinara sauce.
Excellent. I'll inform the kitchen about your dietary requirement right away.
I'm sorry, but this soup is cold. Could you heat it up?
Of course. My apologies. I'll take it back right away.
Thank you.
Here's your soup, freshly heated. Again, sorry for the inconvenience.
Can I get the dressing on the side?
Absolutely. No problem at all.
Thanks. I like to control how much I use.
I totally understand. I'll bring it in a separate small bowl.
What's your preparation time for this dish?
It usually takes about 20-25 minutes.
That's fine. I'm not in a rush.
Great. I'll put your order in right now, so it's as fresh as possible.
Is this dish made with organic ingredients?
Yes, we source most of our vegetables from local organic farms.
That's wonderful. I'll definitely order it then.
You'll love it. It's one of our most popular healthy options.
I'd like to make a reservation for 6 people tomorrow at 7 p.m.
Let me check our availability. Yes, we can accommodate that.
Perfect. Should I leave my phone number?
Yes, please. And I'll send you a confirmation text within the hour.
Can the chef make this less salty?
Certainly. I'll inform the kitchen about your preference.
I appreciate that. Thank you.
No problem at all. We want to make sure you enjoy your meal.
Do you offer any vegan desserts?
Yes, we have a vegan chocolate cake and fruit sorbet.
I'll try the chocolate cake, please.
Great choice. It's made with dark chocolate and coconut cream. You'll love it.
I think there's a mistake on the bill. I was charged twice for drinks.
Let me take a look. You're right. I'll correct that immediately.
Thank you for checking.
Here's the corrected bill. Sorry for the confusion, and thank you for catching that.
Could we have a few more minutes to decide?
Of course. Take your time. I'll come back shortly.
Thanks. We're still looking at the menu.
No rush at all. I'll check back in about 5 minutes.
Is this dish suitable for someone with diabetes?
It's relatively low in sugar, but I can ask the chef for more details.
Yes, please. I need to be careful.
I completely understand. Let me get you the exact nutritional information right away.
We're celebrating an anniversary. Do you do anything special?
Congratulations. We'd be happy to bring out a complimentary dessert.
That's so thoughtful. Thank you.
It's our pleasure. We'll also make sure to bring it with a candle. Happy anniversary.
Can I speak with the manager? The service has been excellent.
Thank you so much. I'll let them know right away.
Your attention to detail was really impressive.
That means the world to us. The manager will be thrilled to hear this feedback.
Is gratuity already included, or should I add it separately?
A 15% service charge is included, but additional tips are always appreciated.
I see. I'll add a little extra then.
That's very kind of you. We really appreciate your generosity.
Could you pack the leftovers separately? Some contain meat and some don't?
Absolutely. I'll make sure they're packed in different containers.
Perfect. Thank you for understanding.
No problem at all. Here you go, labeled and clearly marked for you.
What's the difference between these two pasta dishes?
This one has a cream-based sauce, and this one has a tomato-based sauce.
I'll go with the tomato-based one, please.
Great choice. It's lighter and packed with fresh herbs.
Can I order half portions of two different dishes?
Let me check with the kitchen. Yes, we can do that.
Perfect. I'd like half portions of the lasagna and the risotto.
Excellent idea. You'll get to try both of our signature dishes.
Is there a corkage fee if I bring my own wine?
Yes, it's $20 per bottle.
That's reasonable. I'll bring my own then.
Perfect. Just let us know when you arrive and we'll have it chilled for you.
Do you have a private dining area for a business meeting?
Yes, we have a private room that seats up to 12 people.
Great. How do I reserve it?
I can book it for you right now. What date and time work best?
My friend is running late. Can I order for both of us now?
Of course. Would you like me to hold their dish until they arrive?
Yes, please. Just bring mine first.
Perfect. I'll time everything so the food is fresh when they get here.
This dish looks amazing. Can I take a photo before eating?
Absolutely. Would you like me to add some garnish to make it more photogenic?
Oh, that would be great.
Here you go. I added some fresh herbs. Enjoy your meal and your photos.
I have a gift card. Can I use it here?
Yes, we accept our restaurant gift cards.
Perfect. I'll use it for today's meal.
Great. Just present it when you're ready to pay.
Do you recommend something that's not too heavy? I have a meeting after this.
I'd suggest our grilled chicken salad or the shrimp wrap.
The shrimp wrap sounds perfect.
Excellent choice. It's light, fresh, and very satisfying.
Do you offer any lunch specials or combo deals?
Yes, our lunch special includes a main dish, side, and drink for $12.
That's a great deal. I'll take the lunch special.
Perfect. Which main dish would you like from our lunch menu?
I noticed you have outdoor seating. Is it available now?
Yes, we have a few tables available on the patio.
Great. Can we move outside?
Absolutely. Let me get someone to help you transfer your things. Right this way.
All right, there you have it. 50 complete, real conversations you can use in any restaurant, anywhere in the world.
From ordering a simple coffee to making special dietary requests, you're now prepared for everything.
Remember, the key is practice. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Even native speakers mess up sometimes.
And here's a pro tip. Waiters and restaurant staff are usually super friendly and helpful. They want you to have a good experience.
So, use these phrases, practice them out loud, and next time you're at a restaurant, you'll sound confident and natural.
If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share it with someone who's learning English.
And don't forget,
English is not about perfection. It's about connection.
English is not about perfection. It's about connection.
See you in the next episode.
Happy learning and bon appetit!